Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some super long viral puffy nails, but my way. I'm using these tips from Temu. They're about $4. I'm taking this Lily Cute gel polish. It's a kit you can get off Amazon. It's one of my absolute favorites. And I'm just doing one coat of this nude glassy jelly color on all the nails. And then I'm going to also go over that with a milky white from the same kit. I just wanted to keep the base super simple because I knew that the art was going to be crazy. So that's what's going on here. Have you tried these tips from Temu? They are so long. I don't know if they're double XL. I called them triple XL. You can let me know down below what you think. But yeah, they're pretty long. So I wanted to attempt this puffy nail trend again, but my way, because we're going to be using polygels. I tried this in the past on some duck nails, and I used builder gel mixed with regular gel, and it was like kind of annoying. So let me just tell you that if you have some polygels, like, this is the way to go. It was so easy and so fast. And these turned out so super cute. So this is the milky white. I think it made a really nice base color. I would definitely use this again. And if you stick around to see me decorate them, you'll see I think they're really cute, and I definitely want to try this on some shorter nails for sure. I just love really busy short nails. I think they're so cute. So that's just the thumb right there, and I'm just showing you some of the charms that I'm going to be using. We have some cats, some flat backs, heart, star, and this is the Miss Cheering brand polygels I'm going to use. These are from Temu. I got these a while back, so I don't know if they're still available. Hopefully they are. I will check, and if they are, I will link them down below for you guys, as well as the nail tips. All these charms are from Temu and Shein, of course, because they're such a good deal. You can't pass that up. So the reason I decided to use the polygel is because it's super thick. I didn't have to work with it much, and I am not a polygel girl, but for this purpose, it worked so well. So I'm just kind of making a raised bubble there to get me started. And what's also nice about the polygel compared to the builder gel is it's not going to level out, so you don't have to flash cure. So I'm just taking this big yellow heart and kind of smushing it in the middle of that bubble so it looks like the charm is like embedded in there, and I was super happy with this. This is so easy to do to get yourself some 3D puffy nail art. You really don't have to work hard at all. And if you do need to clean up, which I will do, I'm just taking like a flat brush with some alcohol and cleaning up any of the little spills that I may have gotten, like to make the circles perfect or whatever. So I'm just taking some of these multicolored flat back like pearl charms, but they're colored, and I'm just pushing them into the blobs so they look like they're really smushed in there, and I thought it was so cute. I can't wait to try this again. Let me know down below if you're gonna try this. I definitely recommend using some polygels for this. It is so easy and so cute, and there you can see from the side it is indeed 3D, and very minimal effort required to get the 3D effect, because I'm lazy, and first of all, the builder gel levels out, so you gotta like flash cure all the time. This is just perfect. Definitely recommend trying it out if you're into this type of look. So this next nail, I'm going to take this super gorgeous bright glittery orange, and I really wanted to use some of those funny like bubble cat charms, and I thought it was perfect because they're kind of 3D in themselves. So I'm taking the orange striped cat to use for this nail with the orange. I just thought it matched well. If I could pick him up, that would be absolutely lovely. And I'm going to do the same thing and smush him into the blob. And it's just so cute. Look how funny that looks. I love this. I was really surprised at how easy this was, and you can just perfect your circles or whatever shapes you decide to do super easily because it's polygel. Look at that orange. I hope these are still available for you guys because if you do like polygels, these are so beautiful, and it came with like 12 or 13 colors, I believe, and they're all really, really gorgeous colors. Maybe in the future I will try like the lazy girl method, but you know, I'm more of a gel X and press on girl, so this was just way easier than doing full polygel nails, for me at least. But you know, I guess practice makes perfect. And I'm just doing the same thing, making the circular blobs and adding the little pearls in there randomly and pushing them in because I want them to look really smushed into the polygel. And I'm gonna just clean up that little bit that you see there, and it's just so easy to do. And I love that because easy is perfect. My brain stopped working there for a second. If you do stick around, which I hope that you do, you'll see that each nail is a different color, but at the same time, I think they were really cohesive. Yes, so I'm just curing that. I cure it for like 90 seconds, just to be safe. And here is that one. Super, super cute. I am so thrilled with these, and I really like the like plain base color. I think it just makes the charms and polygel really, really stick out, which is what I was going for. Guys, I did make it to 800 subscribers, and I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much. I really, really hope, I think I have 5 months left before I reach my year on YouTube. I'm really hoping that I can get monetized by then, because that would be super, super amazing. I just don't want my watch hours to like go away, because I've been working really hard trying to make a lot of content for you guys, and I don't know, that's just my goal. If it doesn't happen, it's okay, but I really, really hope it does. So yeah, this blue, look how gorgeous that is. This ends up being my absolute favorite nail out of all of them, so I'm just doing a random swirl down the middle of the nail, and I'm going to add some charms into that as well. I just love this blue. There's something about blues lately, blues and purples, they're just my favorite. So I'm just fixing up that edge so it doesn't look a complete mess, and we're going to use a big puffy star on this one, and I love it so much. What's your favorite nail color to work with? Like, what's your favorite color right now? Let me know down below. I'm super interested. I am blue, purple, pink all the way. Look at how cute that star looks. I am obsessed. I can't wait to do this again on some short nails because it's gonna look super extra. That's why been loving like shorter nails, which is weird for me, but you can just fill them up and then they look so cute. Like, there's nothing better than charming up nails. So let me know also if you're gonna try this. Definitely let me know, and let me know how it works out for you. Look at that, love it. It's like a jelly ocean blue, so beautiful, or aqua blue, I don't know, whatever. So that cat one was done curing. Look how cute he is. I love it. I've been trying to figure out ways to use these cat nail charms, and this just made my heart happy. So adorable. So I'm gonna move on to the pointer finger here, and we are going to do the same thing. This literally did not take me very long at all to do this set of nails, which was very nice. This one said lilac, but it's kind of like a clear with just a lot of glitters in it, of different colors, but I was happy with that. So I'm just blobbing it up, and then I'm going to clean up any like little spills that I may have made right now, which is super easy. This brush is actually an old eyeshadow brush, but it works perfect for this purpose. I've been really liking using it for cleaning up and stuff. This one, I'm going to try to get this star on there, right at the base, and just really smushing it in. And it's so cute. Love it so much. And then I'm just going to add a line of flat back rhinestones. Look at that. I love it. I love it so, so much. And I know I posted in my community tab, if you guys would kind of like binge watch some of my videos, and thank you so much to all of you guys who commented and let me know that you are or that you do. That makes me so happy. I'm glad that you guys enjoy my content. I just wanted to share my love for nails, and I'm glad that a lot of you guys were letting me know that you do like the press-on videos, and that's great because I honestly love making press-ons. I think more than anything, I'm waiting for a package, hopefully today, that comes. I'm going to be doing my nails Gel X style, which I haven't done in about 2 weeks since my my Melody nail set. So I'm excited. I just like picked out all my charms and some colors that I think I'm going to use. I think I'm going to go with purples because I have some new nails that are coming from Novo Ovo, and I'm super excited. So I wanted to really try and do a very cohesive but super charmed out set for you guys. And I'm excited to finally do a Gel X tutorial because it's been a while. It has been a while. And I know some of you guys enjoy the Gel X more, so don't worry, that is coming in the very near future, and I'm excited about it. So, all we have left is the pinky, and I'm telling you guys, this was so fast. Like, I sped up me painting the base color because y'all know how to paint base colors, but the art part is so fast. Which was really nice. This one I'm taking this gorgeous green color. Look at that. It's like a super, like, I don't know, it makes me think of like sour apple Jolly Ranchers. This one is going to be another cat nail because I wanted to do 2 cat nails. So I'm just making some different color circles, different size circle blobs. And I'm going to put another cat at the base and then some more of those same little pearl multicolored flat backs into the blobs. Look how easy it is to fix your circles. Like, I'm definitely now feeling more comfortable trying this in like different shapes. I'd like to do like maybe some hearts next time. But I really like that pointer finger so much. Absolutely love it. Like a whole set like that, oh my god, it would be like total perfection. And also today when I'm doing this voiceover is Mother's Day, so I just want to wish all of my viewers that are mothers a happy Mother's Day, and I hope that you have a super amazing day because I know you deserve it. I am a mom as well. I don't know if any of you guys know, I have a 10-year-old son, and he is just the sweetest thing ever. So yeah, I hope that you have an amazing Mother's Day for yourself, and try to relax and take it easy for a day, maybe, if possible. This has got to be my second favorite nail. I just love that green, and I love how the cat looks with the green. It really pops. And when I show you these from the side, like side view, they're super 3D. So I'm taking this glitter top coat now that's from either Shein or TEMU. I don't know. It's no wipe. It's really good. It has like gold glitters in it. And I'm going to top coat these and wait until you see how cute they are with the top coat on. It really takes them up to the next level and goes super well, in my opinion, with the set. I love these. I love all the different colors. And I'm so happy I finally used the cat charms. Finally. So look how nice that top coat goes with this. And I'm just making sure to do a hardy coat, but spreading it out at the same time because I don't want to take away from the 3D effect of the blobs. But I just want to make sure I'm sealing in my charms, getting my edges, and not missing any spots. So yes, this is a very nice top coat. I did get this quite a while ago, so I don't know if it still exists on there. But Beetles does have a 6-piece super gorgeous glitter top coat set. I did make a video on it, so if you want to like find out more about that, I swatched them and showed them in depth. You can go check that out if you are in need of some glitter top coats, or you could always mix up your own if you don't want to buy anything new. So that's always an option as well. Super gorgeous. I cured this top coat for 60 seconds. So now I'm just going to speed up the clips of me top coating a bit. So I'm just going to go through each nail the same way, getting in every crevice that I possibly can, and then making sure it's all smooth and wiping off any like excess around the blob design to not take away from the 3D effect. I love that nail so much. Oh, it's so cute. Yes, let me know down below, what is your favorite glitter top coat if you have one. I want to know, do you make your own, like, or do you just not use glitter top coats? But I feel like I'm always reaching for a glitter top coat. I don't know, I just can't get enough glitter ever. So yeah, I'm really happy with this set. I'm really happy with how easy it was. Definitely try this polygel method. You won't be sorry. It'll save you so much time, so much faster and so much easier than using the builder gel. But that's just my opinion, because I run out of patience very quickly, and I don't know, sometimes mixing is kind of annoying because then you have just extra stuff to clean up, and this didn't make a mess at all. So it kind of made me want to try polygel nails in the future, because this was just really nice. Super nice experience. And if you're still here, definitely comment me down below with your comment if you're gonna leave one, some cat emojis, and that way I know you were here. So here they are, the unveiling. They're all cured up and they're so sparkly and so cute, and they're so funny. Those cats are so funny and so adorable. And let me know what you think about these nails down below. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Are you gonna try this? But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and this quick little puffy nail hack idea. I haven't seen anyone use polygel personally. So yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. I love you guys, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you can, if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.